Hola, clase. In lesson 1 this week, you're going to start out with a warm-up related to last week's lesson on direct object pronouns. So you'll see in your assignment, the first part, step 1, is the warm-up. The directions say, contesta estas preguntas con un pronombre del objeto directo. Answer these questions with a direct object pronoun. So first you'll see an example. El ejemplo says, ¿hablas el español? Do you speak Spanish? And you want to answer and say, yes, I speak it. So your answer would be sí, yo lo hablo. And it is the pronoun lo, which replaces the noun el español because it's singular and masculine. So take a look at that in the example, and then you'll go ahead and answer those questions. So next, the new learning for this week is Vocabulario de la Ciudad, city vocabulary, and las direcciones, directions. So first we're going to do a pronunciation practice with this vocabulary. Repeat after me. Edificio, biblioteca, tienda, hospital, hotel, iglesia, banco, casa, correo, museo, aeropuerto, café, supermercado, cine, teatro, escuela, colegio, universidad, restaurante, parque, zoológico, plaza, ayuntamiento, las direcciones, calle, a la izquierda de, a la derecha de, delante de, detrás de, debajo de, encima de, sobre, arriba. So with this vocabulary, you're going to answer some questions. So step 3 on your lesson is completa la tarea, complete the homework. Parte 1 says, ¿A dónde vas? ¿Cuándo? Where do you go? When? And there's a series of questions that you're going to answer in a complete sentence using a vocabulary word and the correct form of the verb. So the ejemplo says, ¿A dónde vas cuando tienes hambre? Where do you go when you are hungry? And an appropriate response would be, yo voy al restaurante. I go to the restaurant. The questions have the verb ir. Where do you go? They're not all the you form. It might be, where do your parents go? Or where do the students go? Or where does Susan go? So you want to make sure you use the correct form of ir. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, or van. Parte 2 of this homework is you're going to answer questions related to this map. So this map has different buildings, different city buildings on it. And you can see the streets and the buildings. So just pretend these buildings are standing upright on these streets. So the example question says, ¿Dónde está la piscina? Where is the swimming pool? So we're going to find la piscina. And we can see that it's to the right of this bakery. So our answer is, la piscina está a la derecha de la panadería. Or you could say it's to the left of the school, el colegio. You could say that. Either way would work. You might have other questions saying something like, ¿En qué calle está la biblioteca? Okay, en qué calle, on what street is the library? And you'd say the library is on Madrid Street. So go ahead and take a look at those examples, and you can start that homework.